Ozo is about to have a third strike. Let's go.
Please, share na what you don't get. How dare you?
No. Come.
Come on. This guy, my G.
Ozo trusts Nengi enough to get a third strike. Check out what he did because of her. Trust is really a big word, and what Ozo did last night is a big sign that he really trusts Nengi. He loves her so much that he trusts her enough to get a third strike because of her. He actually followed Nengi to take a big risk which could have gotten him disqualified, but for one reason. Ozo really took a big risk last night because of his love for Nengi. Indeed, we can say that Ozo's fate in the house could lie on Nengi's hand, because if Nengi was evil, she would have helped him get his third strike.
You said it got Corey. Yeah. Yeah.
We all know that Ozo is down with 2 strikes in the house, and if he gets a third strike, he will get automatically disqualified just like Erica. 2 strikes Ozo has gotten has been because of how crazy his love for Nengi has gotten him to break some Biggie's house rule. And last night, Ozo would have broken another Biggie's rule again and gotten a third strike because of how his love for Nengi blinded him. What did he do? Ozo followed Nengi to the HOH lounge. Nengi kept leading him to the house, the whole house telling him that he will get the third strike today, and Ozo, blinded with how much he trusts Nengi, all because of love, obviously just kept on following Nengi. Nengi holding Ozo's hand as she leads him to the HOH lounge to get his supposed third strike. Neil saw him and tried stopping him from entering the HOH lounge because that would be breaking Biggie's rule and giving him a third strike. However, Ozo pushed Neil off and followed Nengi inside. Neil sees Ozo almost about to get his third strike because of Nengi. Neil moves to stop Ozo from making that mistake. Ozo pushes him away and enters the lodge. Nengi smiles and closes the door. It was then that Nengi told him that he is safe. She took permission from Biggie to bring him in as a guest, so nothing would happen to him. Ozo grabbed Nengi and hugged her. She just smiled. This was a big risk for Ozo. Ozo took all because of love. What if Nengi was lying and led him in there to get him disqualified? That would have been how Ozo would have allowed his disqualification take place because he trusted a light-skinned lady. However, Nengi bears no evil in mind for Ozo, so he is safe.